Hi friends, welcome back my channel. Today we will learn how to use this multimeter. This is digital multimeter. If you like to watch videos related to electronics, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Both links are given in description box. You can check out this. This video is divided in three parts. In first part, we will see what is digital multimeter and what are the uses of digital multimeter. In next part, we will see which parameter you can check by using this digital multimeter. In last part, we will see how this digital multimeter we can use for checking all these basic components of electronics. So, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, what is digital multimeter? Digital multimeter is one of the instruments we can use for testing and measuring purpose. Measuring purpose means this digital multimeter we can use for measure DC voltage, DC current, AC voltage, AC current, resistance. Like this, you can measure basic parameter by using multimeter. Next, for testing purpose means you can use multimeter to test transistor, LED, diode. So you can use multimeter for testing and measuring purpose. Next, what is the use of multimeter? The first use of digital multimeter is for testing and measuring purpose. Second, to repair any electronic instruments, digital multimeter plays very important role. So, digital multimeter is very useful for electronics engineer or any maintenance engineer. Next, we will see which parameter you can check by using this multimeter. So, by using this digital multimeter, you can check DC voltage, resistance, diode and continuity checking, square wave, transistor, 10 amp current, DC. After that, milliamps current DC and AC voltage. These all functions are included in this digital multimeter. Next, we will see how the actual digital multimeter we can use for measuring purpose and how this all functions are works of this digital multimeter. Here are we use these probes, digital multimeter probes. This is the negative probe and this is the positive probe. I'm going to connect this negative probe on common jack and this positive probe to ohm voltage and milliampere jack. So first we will check the DC voltage. I have this 9-volt battery. So To check 9 volt, we need to select 20 DC volt range of DC volt function. Next, I'm going to connect this positive probe to positive terminal of battery and negative probe to the negative terminal of battery. In this way, we can see the measuring voltage is 9.52 DC volt. In this way, you can use the function DC voltage by using this multimeter. Next, we will see the resistance function. How to check resistance by using this multimeter. I have 1 kilo ohm resistance. You need to select 20 kilo ohm range to check 1 kilo ohm resistance. We know that resistance have two terminals. So here is no polarity. So you can connect any terminal to anywhere. In this way, you can see how to measure resistance by using digital multimeter. Here you can see the 1 kilo ohm value of this resistance on display. Next we will see how to measure AC voltage. You need to select this rotary switch to AC function and select range 750 volt. I have this extension box. Here we can check the AC voltage. So just put the positive and negative terminal on neutral and phase point. In this way, you can see the AC voltage is 241 volt. In this way, you can check the AC voltage by using this multimeter. Next, we will see how to check current, DC current by using this multimeter. You need to select the function of DC current and range of 20 millivolt. I have this basic LED circuit. Here we can check the DC current. So to check the current, we connect the common terminal to the negative of battery and the positive terminal to this resistance. In this way, we can see that the current is 7.13 milliamps. In this way, we can check the current of any circuit in series combination. I hope you understand how to use digital multimeter for DC voltage, DC current, resistance, AC voltage. In next video, we will see how to use digital multimeter for testing purpose. So, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.